In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find S&P 500 on Metatrader 5. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look, how to reveal the correct symbol, and how to open a chart or place a trade. Keep in mind that Metatrader 5 only shows instruments your broker actually offers, so availability and naming can vary. Start by opening Metatrader 5 on your computer. To bring up the Market Watch window, press Ctrl+M, or go to the View menu and choose Market Watch. This panel is your master list of visible instruments. If you already see the S&P 500 here, you're set. If not, don't worry, we'll reveal it. Inside Market Watch, right-click anywhere and select Symbols. This opens the full symbol catalog from your broker, including items that are currently hidden. Look through the categories for indices. Some brokers group them under indices, cash indices, or CFDs. You might not see S&P 500 spelled exactly that way. Common names include S&P 500, US 500, SPX 500, or US 500 Cash. Select the version your broker provides and click Show. If your symbols window has a search field, you can also type US 500 or SPX to narrow it down quickly. In some cases, brokers add suffixes like .I or .cash. That's normal and simply reflects the contract type. Once you click Show, close the Symbols window and you'll find your chosen symbol listed back in Market Watch. To open the chart, locate the S&P symbol you just revealed in Market Watch, right-click it, and choose Chart Window. That opens the live price chart so you can add indicators, change timeframes, and analyze the market. If you're ready to place a trade instead, right-click the symbol and choose New Order to bring up the order ticket. If you still can't find the S&P 500, there are a few likely reasons. First, your broker may not offer the index on MT5 at all. Not every broker provides indices, or they might only offer them on certain server groups. Second, the symbol name could be different from what you expect. Remember to look for alternatives like US 500 or SPX 500. Third, access can depend on your account type. Some brokers only enable indices on specific live accounts or on CFD-enabled profiles, and they may restrict them on certain demo accounts. When in doubt, reach out to your broker's support team. Ask for the exact symbol name for the S&P 500 on your account and confirm whether it's available for your platform and account type. That's it. You now know how to find, show, and open the S&P 500 in Metatrader 5.